Sounding like...
Paano bang mababawi lahat ng mga nasabi?
Hi, ganda mo.
Ako pala mo na maiyak.
Di naman
Mga green girls. Kaya nga
ay darating lang bigla nang walang babala. Sa isang iglap nagbago.
See you later.
Alligator. I love you, baby.
I love you.
Panamang bangga. Ikaw ang kumpas nung naliligaw. Naging kulay ka sa langit na bughaw. Sa bawat bagyo na dumayo, ikaw yung kanlungan na nahanap ko. Kahit nung di ko alam, ilang beses mo kong niligtas. Ikaw ang hantungan at aking wakas.
Thank you for coming into my life. You changed my perspective in love that I'm now believing in marriage. I used to think nonchalant, silent was my type of love until I met you and experienced to be loved loud and proud by you. I remember on my 18th birthday, I really wear a white gown because that's when I stopped dreaming that I can be a bride. Pero may plano pala si Lord para sa akin.
That's me.
And now, here I am, wearing a white gown, going to marry at the church kung saan tayo una nagsimba.
Nabahan ako bigla.
Hi. And I vow to always choose you, and I will choose you over and over. I will keep choosing you without pause in a heartbeat. I vow and promise to be true to you in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health. I will love you and honor you all the days of my life.
Pogi naman.
Nagpapasalamat ako kay Lord na ikaw yung dasal na binigay niya sa akin. Kung may susunod mang habang buhay, ikaw at ikaw pa rin ang hihilingin ko sa bawat katok ko sa simbahan. I love you and let's enjoy our day.
I love you, baby. Love you.
Why do you build me up? Buttercup baby, just to
Left me around, and then worst of all, you never thought, baby, when you see you will. But I love you still, I need you, more than anyone, darling. You know that.
baka gumigit pa siya pagpasok.
So build me up, buttercup, don't break my heart. I'll be over at 10, you told me time and again, but you're late. I wait around and then I run to the door. I can't take any more of you. Baby, baby,
Mukhang mahaba-haba, ano? Isa pa daw po, okay.
and I'll make you happy. I'll be home, I'll be beside the phone waiting for you. Why do you build me up, buttercup baby, just to let me down? And mess me around, and then worst of